Are you searching for a dropshipping store in South Africa that offers affordable products and speedy delivery? Look no further. Let's dive into the top 3 local dropshipping options that can elevate your business. First up is Perfect Dealz. We have a fantastic selection of trending items, from health and beauty products to the latest gadgets and home accessories. What sets us apart is our competitive pricing and reliable shipping across South Africa. Next, we have Minty's Wholesalers. Their homeware factory shop is a treasure trove for anyone looking to buy rugs, carpets, discount furniture, and kitchenware, all with direct shipping to your doorstep. Finally, check out ZA Dropshipping. This Shopify app seamlessly integrates South African suppliers into your store, handling order fulfillment locally. This means your customers get their products faster than ever. Pro tip: always choose suppliers that offer fast local courier delivery, easy returns, and can integrate smoothly with your e-commerce platform. For more information, reach out via WhatsApp at 064 601 3518 or call 011 048 2402.